Hi everyone, this is a tiny tutorial on how to print your own little blind embossing with one of these 3D printed printing presses. And here's how to do it. First of all, pick some objects or materials with a nice texture to it. They have to be flat, so things like this duck or the large screws won't work. Let's try it with this piece of metal, which I think is from welding, and put some sandpaper underneath it because I really like how its texture shows on a blind embossing. Next, grab some nice quality paper. This can be watercolor paper or professional printmaking paper. I wouldn't suggest using regular printer's paper as it won't pick up the texture as well and might tear. I like to fold it into the size I want and tear it to size. If you're working with Japanese washi paper, sometimes it's useful to use a brush and some water to wet the edges, and then you're able to pull it apart very easily. Then prepare a little tub of water and throw your paper in it. This will only take a couple of minutes to soak. Next, blot your paper in between some clean rags or towels so that it's not dripping wet. And now for the main part. Prepare a sandwich on the bed of the press by laying down some thicker paper on the bottom. This will protect the press bed if the objects have sharp edges. Now put your objects on top of it with the pretty side up and place your damp paper on top, and finally put the blanket back over it. Now it's time to roll it through the press. If your objects have sharp edges, I would start with very light pressure. You can release some by turning the wing bolts on the top counterclockwise. After rolling it through once, you can lift the print and inspect your own little blind embossing. And lastly, to give you some more ideas and variations, here are some of the blind embossings of our print exchange. All of these are made with the same kind of press. Thanks for watching.